Hey guys, welcome to Raven Auto 717. In this video I'm going to be working on fixing my winch on the mule that I got from Harbor Freight. The Bluetooth part, or however you want to call that, quit working and it doesn't work at all, so I went to Tractor Supply, bought a kit to convert it to a manual or just a button in and out extend for and retract for the actual winch. So I'm going to change that over to that, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. And let's see what we got so far. So currently, I have just kind of trying to see where everything was at and trying to get associated with everything. So I went ahead and was looking at some things here and there and everywhere. So I figured out that actually on this side, I have my wire running inside there, which you can't really see. I need to get some lighting in here, but basically the module is back in there, if you can even see it. So I'm going to have to somehow get back in there, get the module, rip it out, undo these wires for the actual winch, and then show you the new wiring that I'm going to install, and we'll go from there. So let's get started. Hey guys, so this is the kit I got. It was a Traveler's winch control set for ATVs and UTVs. Basically it comes with two sets of wires. Here's the longer set here, and then here's a shorter. Here's, like I was saying, here's the in and out, and you can mount it a couple different ways, which I'll show you when I get around to that. And then here's the actual module control unit that you would wire to activate the winch to control it in and out. Then here's a wiring schematic that actually I accidentally cut, which is no big deal. Basically, plus goes to the plus and minus goes to the minus wire on each side going to the winch, and then this would be going to the battery, vice versa. This is actually battery, this is winch mount. So you just wire it like this, and then this gets connected to here, which will then activate the winch. So I'm going to get started on tearing the old unit off, and then we will slowly work our way onto the new unit here and get things situated, and then we will I'll just kind of figure out a better way to mount this, that way it's easier and more accessible to mess with if I have any issues in the future. So let's get started. Hey guys, so got everything undone under here. Now I am going to change my attention, and I'm going to disconnect the battery and remove these wires, and I'm going to remove this panel right here so I can run the wires underneath the new wiring. And then I'm going to probably mount, I was looking at it, I think I'm going to mount the module somewhere really close by here, and then just have to run the wires down in. We'll kind of see how everything turns out, but I'm going to get some lighting up here, and then I'm going to kind of show you where I run everything and get that all done, and then we'll test it out, and hopefully everything works. Hey guys, so I was able to get some wires ran. I got the wires from the battery in here, and then this is the wires from the winch. And I just ran them up beside the actual fan and everything like that, and tied it out of the way. So I think I'm gonna mount the box over in this corner right here, just trying to keep it away from heat and debris and everything. I think that's what happened to my old one. I actually have it sitting over here, and I'm going to tear this one apart just so we can see what's inside it, and just see if I can see what actually happened to that one, as it is not working. So I'm going to wire this thing in, and then hook the battery up, and then we'll see if the winch works. So cross our fingers, and let's get going. Okay guys, so let's tear this apart here to see what we can find in a Harbor Freight special winch. So I got my drill, the impact will be a lot quicker. Okay, so there's the inside. Kind of see that in there. There's that. So let's dig a little bit farther. So let's be taking this out. Okay. Don't see anything out of the ordinary so far. So I'm not seeing anything there. Don't see anything there. Not seeing anything. Don't really see anything out of the ordinary. I mean, this doesn't look like it's swollen or anything like that. This piece here, this is a little swollen, so maybe something got a little messed up in there. But I mean, as you can see, there's nothing I don't see anything wrong. So I'm not really sure what happened. But anyways, this is junk. Got everything wired up, ready to go. I'd like to clean this up a little bit more, but we're just going to kind of see and hope that it will work. Got the thing right here, and currently not working. So I'm going to have to figure out why it is not working. So I'm going to do some digging and just kind of run through everything. I thought everything would work. So this is the first time me trying it. So I'm going to try to keep on messing with this thing and see what I can come up with, and hopefully it's something stupid. So give me a little bit and I'll get this thing all fixed up. Hey guys, so I finally figured out what it was. I wasn't even thinking. There's a wire that goes to the control for the winch, the in and out, and there's a red wire, and I actually tore the switch apart just to see what that wire was for, because it didn't really say in the instructions, and it needs a positive. So I ran a positive either to, they want you to run it to an ignition switch, but I want to be able to run the winch even when the motor's turned off. So I ran it to the positive on from the battery basically, so it's from the battery. I wired it to here, so now it goes in and out. So I mean, it works perfectly fine. So got that going, and now I'm going to put everything away, kind of clean everything up, zip tie some things together, make it look all nice and neat, and that's how it is. So guys, as you can see, got the winch all put back together. Gonna clean some things up here, but like I said, the Traveler winch control set, it's really, really nice, easy to use. Highly recommend it. I think it was about 50 bucks. So right now I have about $150, or actually no, about $100 into this winch, and it works perfectly fine. Get rid of the stupid Bluetooth, which is right here. So you get rid of this little key fob, which I really like. I don't like the key fob at all. And I'm actually going to make a little plate and everything up for a plow. So I'm going to have a 54-inch wide plow for the front of here. I'm going to mount it underneath the front brush card here, and then it'll pick itself up using the winch. So I'm going to get working on that, and in the next video I'll show you me building that, making it, and putting it all together. So stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see you guys. Have a good one. Bye.